We have officially entered Oscars month, and by looking at the nomination list, I believe that this is one of the most unpredictable Oscars we will watch on 15 March. Maria, what do you think about it?
Definitely. This is one of the most uncertain Oscars year, and
Very
that's because
unpredictable.
very unpredictable, very uncertain, and that's because the precursors have been incredibly divided. We
True.
still don't have a lock for Best Actor. We don't have a lock for the supporting categories. We only have
It's
a lock.
all over the place.
It's all over the place. We only have a lock for Best Actress, which is Jessie Buckley for Hamnet. She has been
Yes.
sweeping the season, but there is still
I'm still confused when it comes to the best director. I think no, best director I believe will go to One
Paul
Battle.
Thomas Anderson?
Yes, One
Paul
Battle After
Thomas
Another
Anderson.
for the film One Battle After
Exactly.
Another. But for the best actor, oh my God, let me say this, but Timothée Chalamet, I feel bad for you because throughout the year he just began this campaign just to win this Oscar, and
now he is in-
2026 wasn't for him.
Now he's in a serious aura debt.
Yes.
We are going
He
minus
played
5,000.
all his cards, Maria. He played all his cards for this Oscars, and
And
I
now
don't
it's going
think
to be incredibly embarrassing if he
Yes.
doesn't win. This is going to be worse than DiCaprio losing all those Oscars all these years, because
Yes.
at least he was respected within the industry. Right now, Timothy's Oscar
he
campaign
played all his cards, even his
has
body
not done him
language.
any favors.
Yes, yes. Oh my God, this is such an embarrassment if he does not win, which is still unpredictable because I'm confused who will win the best actor.
Who would you want to win the Best Actor, if not Chalamet?
I am rooting for Chalamet because I have sympathy for him. Plus, I've watched the movie. Come on, like we watched the movie,
We
and
watched the
I
movie.
really liked the movie. But if not, then Michael B. Jordan.
Exactly. That's
Michael
very
B.
true.
Jordan has the chance,
Michael B.
especially
Jordan
after
has
this
a good chance.
BAFTA
After the BAFTAs incident,
controversy.
Sinners
Yeah,
has
Sinners.
sort of emerged. They have also won Best Ensemble at the Actor Awards. Michael B. Jordan unexpectedly won Best Actor.
He was shocked,
He was shocked. Exactly.
but he deserved it.
He
Let's just say
deserved it.
Sinners is indeed one of the best movies of
Exactly.
2025.
And I think the Best Picture race is also sort of between Sinners and One Battle After Another.
Yes.
And I personally think that both of the movies, while both are incredibly political, there is one cast, one ensemble who is entirely leaning into their political
Yes.
messages, and one who is actively avoiding it. We all know who is who,
Yes.
but for those watching, the Sinners people are incredibly clear on where they stand with their politics, and the One Battle After Another
Yes.
people are incredibly confused, and they're almost apolitical about a very political movie.
Yes. But since we are talking about Oscars, let me say one thing, that since Anora won 2025's mostly series, I think Best Picture it was.
Exactly.
It went to
It was
Anora.
the biggest winner of the night.
The actress won Anora, like the actress for Anora won the Best Actress.
Mikey Madison.
So I think still I believe I see Oscars unpredictable. So let's see who wins and who loses. The
wins
prediction
and
is
who
80% winning Timothée Chalamet, but we don't know who wins.
We also have Best Casting Oscar, which is going to debut this year. It's
Oh
the
yes,
first.
it's a new category.
It's a new category.
I'm
and
excited for it. What do you
exactly,
think?
we have Hamnet, Sinners, One Battle After Another, and
I think it might go
Secret
to
Agent.
One Battle After Another or Sinners. Let's
there's
see.
also Marty Supreme in
But
casting.
It wasn't that huge cast as compared to One Battle After Another.
Yeah,
But they were like,
think,
I would say that
again,
they were very notable.
in most of the categories, the toss-up is between One Battle After Another and Sinners, because Oscars Hollywood is still
Yes.
extremely mainstream, and these are the two.
How did we
title.
forget Jacob Elordi in supporting
Jacob Elordi.
role?
Supporting
So
categories.
do you think
exactly.
Jacob Elordi or Sean Penn?
Sean Penn. And, yeah, Sean Penn has unexpectedly bounced back this award season
Yes,
with
he's been
BAFTA
dominating.
and the Actor Awards. and he is also an Academy favorite, even though he has given both of his Oscars away.
But I think Jacob Elordi deserves a chance. He's a good actor and he has proved himself in Frankenstein.
But Jacob hasn't won anything since the Critics'
Yes.
Choice. That's the only award he won. And then Stellan Skarsgård won Golden Globe. And then it's only been Sean Penn.
Yes.
It's incredible. I think that a lot of Black Americans would also be rooting for Delroy Lindo again for Sinners. So supporting category is a mess on both sides, actor and actress.
And I think to clear the confusion, we'll have to wait till 15 March and watch Oscars and see who wins and who loses.